you talk about the future a lot, Dylan, when we get together, and technology. There's lots of stuff happening in this world, and lean is a more of a mentality. It's not necessarily a software, right? You can fit tools to be lean. Maybe if you had to pontificate about the future, Dylan, what would you say in the 10 years, 15 years you'd like to be doing at 8G, or what you hope the industry is doing more of, leveraging digital?
With our short term, probably 3 to 5 year goal, it's full integration with CMEXE. It's running both 2D workflows and 3D flows through it, along back to our dashboard that you guys are basically building for us, a fabrication dashboard that holds all our documents. It's web based, everything's there, instant answers, instant collaboration, live on all of our field foremen have iPads and computers, and all our project management sits in front of computers all day. I think it's just going to really speed up information, right? And have it all in one spot where it's shared across all platforms. Everyone's talking the same language. I'm excited for it. I'm very excited for it. It's just a matter of just getting there now, right?
Yeah,